Right there. There's the baby. Oh, fuck. It's wrecked. Okay, so it's now 11:30 and I'm gonna go and grab something to eat and wait for my sister to come back because I'm not quite sure where she is. She might be in uni, she might have a sport testing. And I still have to ask her about if I can take the car to go to the gorge or not. If she needs the car or anything. But first of all, let's grab something to eat. That was pretty good. Gotta admit, Philadelphia. Thumbs up. You see, everyone's telling me to only pack the stuff I need. But the thing is, I need everything. Let me just show you what it looks like when I'm going out to film something. Look at this big camera bag where all the lenses are. 1 meter slider, Steadicam, fluid head for the slider, plus the drone. So, we finally made it here to the Steinwandklamm. It's right there, the entrance to the Steinwandklamm is right there. But as it turns out, it actually closed because an avalanche took down a bridge. So you can't go in there. It's like 100 meters and then the bridge is collapsed and you can't go any farther. But some guy from that house over there, I don't know if you can see it, but it's that house, just told me that there's a waterfall just 6 kilometers away from here. As you can see, we've made it here. Now I'm just gonna grab all my stuff and head over there and... Alright, we're on set. Let's say it's a set. As you can tell, that is so cool. It looks so amazing. And my little construction here with the tripods, the slider, it's gonna be fine. Alright, so we're at the top now. There's no more waterfalls over that way, but all the waterfalls over that way. So I'm gonna go all the way back down, hopefully get more shots, and then I'll see you at the cars. I would say it's a wrap. Sun is shining, I'm in the middle of nowhere, and I thought I'd take the drone out for a spin, you know? Got everything set up, so let's fly that thing. Well, that's going to be fun. Densest forest I've ever seen in my life. Can't get over here. Maybe I can get over through here, please. So I found myself a little path. But it doesn't look like the drone is on the path. Somewhere over there. And as far as I can tell, that thing's not gonna fly anymore. Because literally, I was at, I think, 140 meters. It just dropped out of the sky. That was a rip. That was it. It just straight up dropped down. Okay, nearly there. At least the last GPS came from around here somewhere. Somewhere. Come on, focus. Please, hello. It looks like these are somewhere on the ground, or it's all the way up there on the mountain. Fuck. I'll put my phone away because I literally can't walk. It's so steep. It's really... Oh Jesus. Oh shit. Found a battery. Where's the drone? Oh. Oh shit, I just found the drone. That's the battery. It's kind of hot. Is it still working? You can turn it off. That works. Oh fuck. Right there. There's the baby. Oh fuck. It's wrecked. Let's check out the drone, I mean. I mean, it looks good. Honestly, I think that might even work. Oh, that's broken. Ah, fuck. That is completely broken. Alright. You know what? YOLO, let's jumpstart this bitch. Let's plug the battery back in. Put it on the ground. At least the lights are working. That's a good thing, right? Maybe it still works. And the drone is still blinking. Props to you. If you still work, I love you. 130 meters down and you're still blinking. Shit. Oh, there goes a prop. Fucking hell. Try not to die now. You come with me. Fucking hell! I just tripped. I have to somehow get down there. Down there. Love this camera. Doesn't it really look good? Okay. Hello car. Hello drone. Put you down here. I'm gonna tilt you guys down a bit so you can see the drone. See, the camera seems to be working. Let's try tilting it down. It's tilting down, it's tilting up. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get new props and try if it works, but I would say that concludes our little trip. Let's go home.